Hey everyone, Pat here, founder at Upticks, and I just had to share this with everyone, this cold email that I just got while I was on a call with Vivek here, and just want to do a little quick cold email teardown. So I want to introduce you to Chad. Chad here decided to send me a cold email, wants to build a strategic alliance with Upticks. First of all, opens the email here with, hey, do you want to work with us in 2022? So how many of you think that opening up a cold email to somebody that you've never met, raise the hands, show hands here. Okay, there's 1, 2. Okay, everyone thinks that's a terrible opening line for a cold email. Like, who the fuck are you?
Apple.
Who do you, yeah, you think you're Apple or Google or Netflix or Amazon or Tesla? Like if you're one of those companies, sure, open up an email like that. But if you're not, don't be an idiot. Like,
And we will be like, if it was an email from Apple or like any other big companies, we will be like drooling right now. Like, oh my God, I got an email from Apple.
yeah, we'd love it, of course. But like, the reality is like 99.99999% of companies are not. So don't open your emails like this. Like, grow the fuck up. Pardon my French. Okay, so never open up a cold email with a call to action to work with somebody you've never met before. Vivek, do you have anything to add to this?
He's asking you to marry him.
Yeah.
On the first email.
Let's get married. And by strategic alliance, what he really means is, do you want to buy our product or service? Don't go into a cold email wanting to build a strategic alliance with someone. Strategic alliance is where you pass business back and forth, right? You leverage each other's network or something like that. Not, do you want to work with us? So,
Yeah,
okay.
right.
I think in my last teardown video, here's how I translated and sort of correlated, an opening line like, you want to work with us. It's like walking up to, say you're a guy and you walk up to a girl in public and say, hey, you want to go home with me? Like,
Yeah.
fuck the marriage part. Like, hey, do you just want to go home and, do what we do? Right? When we get there. So you can't open up a cold email like this. Follow some sort of framework. Custom intro line, of course, to be the best. Obviously, this was not a custom email, not custom at all. So there's really no personalization in here except for my name, which, congratulations, you found me in a lead database. And then to piggyback on that, we're looking to add a few clients to our whatever, program. But like, it's just totally selfish. Want to work with us. We're looking to add a few clients. Congratulations. How's that add value to me? Like, how's that? You're just talking about you. And then here's how the system works. Okay, now we get into some benefits. Okay, so
Now he's trying to build some chemistry.
Yeah. Yeah. How about like something custom, like to build a little, introduction with somebody before you just go right into your pitch, right? So, and then we go right into benefits. Generate 50 discovery calls, per month, like clockwork. No cold calling. Okay, great. Get your dream clients. I don't have a lot of complaints about, kind of the benefit statements and stuff like that. I think that's fairly okay. What do you think, Vivek?
Yeah, of course. Not bad. These are good.
Yeah. I can keep stacking on the benefits, but to save you time, I think you should at least watch the video overview instead. Actually, I think it'd probably be easier for me to just read your bullet points than click on your video and watch it. That's my thought.
Yeah, right.
I don't even know how long the video is. It seems like a ton of work to do. So in just the overall strategy, since you're not personalizing the email here, putting in links to a video and stuff, like, probably not, like, this person's probably sending a lot of volume. And if you're sending a lot of volume, you should reduce the number of links and formatting and stuff in your cold email. It can help push you into the promo or ultimately get marked as spam. If you're doing more personalization, you can get away with links. You can get away with images. You can get away with video embeds even.
Yeah, or maybe they can like send a follow-up email with video link. Like, that will be good.
I can't promise we're a good fit, but I'll love to chat so we can both find out. I'm sure you'd love to chat so you can sell me your strategic alliance. Starts with me handing you my cash.
Yeah, and you don't even want it.
Got it. Yeah. The value proposition, like, sure, I'd love to generate 20 to 50 discovery calls, but I also kind of know how to do a lot of this stuff, but I always need help. But anyway, to set proper expectations and to save you time, please don't forget to watch the short video overview before booking analysis call. Oh, don't worry. You just told me 2 sentences ago, right here to watch the video. So, I'll watch your video for you to save you time.
And he's so sure that you are going to book a call with him.
Yeah. Yeah. Very, very sure to book a call. So this is probably the epitome of laziness with cold outreach. What you really want to do is you want to get a reply from people, and you want to open a dialogue. You want to start building a little micro relationship with people. This is the epitome of laziness with cold outreach, to just try to totally automate it. All right.
Yeah.
Watch my video. Oh, here's the link. Book a call with me.
That's too much work.
Yeah. Like, heavens forbid you just get a reply with somebody and you have to send them an email back and say, hey, let's meet. So
And the worst part, Patrick, PS.
Yeah. PS, we want to be respectful of your time. You've said that, I think, 3 times now. So in case that what we have is irrelevant to your needs, please simply reply with S and we'll remove you from our mailing list. So again, epitome of laziness. They didn't qualify their lead list. And what do I mean by that? I mean, they didn't go through their leads to see if they're even the right targets. They applied some filters and a lead database of some sort. And they're probably reaching out to, most people want to grow their business. So, the shot in the dark probably isn't like insane, if you're targeting business owners, but again, another sign of complete laziness. But Beck, what do you have you have any closing thoughts?
Closing thoughts, don't include a PS like this. Never, ever. It's like, it's giving you sense that you actually didn't personalize anything. Like, you didn't even wrote the email. You just grabbed a template and grab the template and just boom, hit send button, and it reached thousands of person,
Yeah.
thousands of business people.
And here's the piggyback on that. If you're gonna send something like this in an email, you might as well have an unsubscribe button, because nothing fucking pisses me off more than, in order to get dropped off your mailing list, I have to fucking go and reply to you with S and then hope that you have some sort of system in the background that's actually going to remove me. It'd be easier for me to mark you as spam. So if you're gonna add an opt-out, just make it an unsubscribe link. And I'll put in an Upticks plug. You can do that in Upticks, right?
Yeah.
You can decide if you want it there or not.
So that way you are not going to like marked as spam. That's the worst part for this email. Like, Patrick just wanted to do a quick video about it. That's why he didn't mark it as spam. But most of the people are going to do it.
Well, I was going to mark it as spam, and then you said, no, let's do a cold email teardown. So
here
we are. Here's our cold email teardown. Overall lessons: don't use a bait and switch subject line. Of course, I'm always open to build strategic alliances. Then when I read it and I'm immediately being sold a service, like, that's fucking dumb. Don't be an idiot. Don't go right into a pitch. Do you want to work with us? We're looking to add clients. These were okay. Watch my video, like, just stupid things. Can't promise you're a good fit. So, I'd love to chat. Of course you would. Like, just optimize for reply. Don't be putting, if you're doing some high volume game, don't be putting links like that. It shows the level of laziness. You don't even want to like have a dialogue back and forth, and then don't do an opt out like this. I see people do it all the time. It's just stupid. I'd rather mark you as spam to ensure that you never come up in my inbox again. That's all I got.
If you don't have any idea how to write those kind of emails, Patrick is going to link the video What was that? Science behind getting 40% reply rates, right?
Yep. Yeah. So yeah, I'll link to a video in the description. Got a video called Science Behind Getting 40% Reply Rates. Actually, I'll put a card up here as well. So if you want to head on over and check that out, feel free to check it out. Yeah. Let us know if you ever need any help with
Start
any
getting
cold
the
outreach.
results.
Awesome. Thanks, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah. Bye.